How many visits will I need? This is one of the most common questions we hear. And the honest answer is, it depends. Everyone's body is different. Some people feel better in just a few visits. Others, especially with long-term issues, may benefit from more care over time. We don't guess. After evaluation, we explain what we're seeing and what we recommend and why. There's no pressure. You're always in control of your care. If you'd like clear expectations instead of uncertainty, an initial visit is a great place to start.